By participating in the Supercar Showcase, you're allowing us to serve families of poverty with the highest level of care, regardless of their ability to pay. We say around here, we hold hope until you can hold hope for yourselves.
Really, the underlying cause here is that we both believe in giving back to the community. Park Place does, Four Seasons does. So we're really happy that we get to team up for such a great cause, and that the children of the Momentous Institute are the beneficiaries of that.
We couldn't be more excited and honored to be the beneficiaries of the Supercar Showcase, and something about the community's capacity to create a great experience where people are going to have so much fun, and then that benefits the larger community. That's a recipe for success. So we're so happy that all of the people out there are going to be having a great time, and then that will end up helping us serve kids and families.